Hey, Jesse over here at Jesse Griffith Repairs. I want to take a minute and visit with you about your engine cooling system. Very proud to announce that we got a product that we can run through your car, through your engine cooling system, that will remove any rust, any corrosion, any toxic materials that's in your engine cooling system. With this, we run this cleaner in your engine, in your radiator, heater, core, water pump, all those areas that the antifreeze touches. We'll rinse it out with a machine, and then we'll install some corrosion inhibitors in with the new coolant. What this creates for you is it creates an engine that runs at the temperatures that it's supposed to run at, which in effect makes the heater in your car work better. In effect, it makes the air conditioner in your car work better. It allows you to get full life out of your engine because it's not running at temperatures it's not designed to run at. And those engines are designed to run at the temperature they're supposed to for maximum fuel economy too. So all those different things come with an engine cooling system service. We're very proud to be able to offer you that service. It is good for you, it's a good investment for you, it's a good investment for your car. It can prevent costly repairs in the future, such as heater cores and radiators and other components on the car.